Congratulations on owning your first car. This is an exciting time, but it's also a time to start thinking about car maintenance. If you're like many young adults, you may not have had much guidance on this topic. But don't worry, we've got you covered, and this guide will walk you through the basics of maintaining your car's essential fluids so you can keep your new ride running smoothly for years to come. Most of the time, you'll want to have a mechanic work on your car. Finding a reputable mechanic can be tricky, but once you find one, maintain a good relationship. Your car needs to be dependable. Make sure you put aside money for car maintenance. You won't regret it. Keep these things in mind when considering what to watch on your car. Keep an eye on your engine oil. It keeps the engine lubricated, preventing wear and tear. You can check it by using the dipstick to check oil levels when the engine is cool. It's better if you change it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or as recommended in your owner's manual. Keep an eye on your coolant or your antifreeze. It prevents the engine from overheating, and you can check it by looking at the coolant reservoir. It should be between the min and max lines. Keep an eye on your brake fluid. It is essential for braking performance, and you can check it by locating the brake fluid reservoir and ensure the fluid is between the min and max lines. Transmission fluid. It ensures smoothing shifting of gears. You can check it by referring to your owner's manual as methods vary. Usually check with the engine running and the transmission in park. And power steering fluid. It aids in smoothing steering, and you can check it by locating the power steering reservoir and check the fluid level. If steering becomes difficult, check fluid level first. And windshield washer fluid. It keeps windshield clean for clear visibility, and you can check it by opening the windshield washer fluid reservoir and fill it up to the top. Use windshield washer fluid instead of water to prevent freezing in winter.